How to add a back button to iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you add a back button to your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you know, there is no any manual back button for your iPhone. Instead of that, you can use back tap feature. For that, open settings. From settings, you'll have to tap on accessibility. Now from here, again you'll have to scroll down and tap on touch. From touch section, find out the option for back tap. After that, simply you'll have to go the any option like double tap or triple tap. Now from here on the section system, you'll have to find the option for back, or you can go with the option home. After that, whenever you are using the double tap or triple tap, you'll be able to back to your home screen on your iPhone. As you can also use the assistive touch feature on screen back button. For that, from the accessibility section again, you'll have to come on touch. Now from here, tap on assistive touch. From here, tap and turn it on. After that, you'll be able to use assistive touch on the screen for back button. Simply you can use it and back that. Like you can tap on the assistive touch and back from there. And that's it. These are the ways from where you can add a back button or use that. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.